So, hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is no contact reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 29th of December. The roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. Just trust me on that. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly, or you can mail us if you have any queries. The mail ID is updated. It's no longer the same. Please check out the description box. Okay, let's start. Cancer, the person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what's happening. We have the Seven of Cups, the Magician, and the Judgment. So this is someone, Cancer, who feels they are lost and confused. They feel emotionally confused in the situation. They feel they don't know what they want from you, but they're manifesting this energy of forgiveness, this energy of, okay, can you just forgive me? Can we start from the point of forgiveness with each other? So this might be somebody who is kind of having a player kind of energy. Now, I'm not saying this person is characterless or something. Player kind of energy sometimes means that they have other options too, or they're keeping their options open, but they're not able to find somebody like you, or they're not able to connect with somebody like you. So that is why this person might be feeling lost and confused, okay, emotionally. But in this scenario, this person is feeling they should have this person is manifesting this energy of wanting to have forgiveness and having a like brand new beginning in the situation. Brand new beginning could be like just a friendship kind of energy only, or brand new beginning can be full on reconciliation as well. But right now they feel like they should have a forgiveness kind of energy in the situation, in this dynamics between you and them. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Empress, the Five of Wands, the Four of Swords, right? They want to heal the drama, whatever conflict, whatever chaos or complications you guys are going through because of this situation. They want to heal that drama, heal that conflict and chaos, because the more they were trying to fix the situation in the past, the more it was going out of hands, and maybe multiple people were involved in the situation from their side. Five of Wands, Seven of Cups, multiple energies were involved in the situation, and that was affecting the situation more and more and more. Now they want to heal the situation between you and them, so that you guys can have a growth and expansion in your individual lives too, and in this connection too, after this healing. Okay. Let's see, Cancer, what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 29th of December. We have the Devil, the Temperance, and the Eight of Swords. Wow. It's like the story of Devil Returns. It's like still this person is connected with multiple people, multiple energies, or at least one energy out there is there with them apart from you, right? And they're feeling trapped in the situation. It's not like they're very happy in the situation or they're enjoying their life to the fullest. They're trapped in a situation where they're not happy, but they are not able to leave the situation for whatever reason. They are feeling trapped and stuck in the situation, and they can't stop, but at the same time they can't stop thinking negative about this situation. Now what is happening here is, because of whatever is happening with them right now, they just want forgiveness from whatever they did with you, because they are experiencing some kind of shitty energies around them where in their love and relationship area. That is why they want this forgiveness, so that they can break this chain of bad luck, of toxicity and negativity that's going on around them, so that they can move on, so that they can be free from the guilt and the regret and whatever they did with you. Now the roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. Now I'm a Taurus Sun and a Cancer Moon. In both the readings, somebody is going through karmic debts, it's like karma is a bitch kind of a deal is happening with them right now. So now in my life, from the past 2 years, I'm quite happy and single, and I don't have anybody who is going to, because everybody who like hurt me eventually asks for forgiveness, right? And everything is sorted from my end, from like everybody's end in this, in my life. So this is not my reading that's connected to me, but surely this is connected to me in the way that they might be facing the karma. That is what is happening. Okay, honey, the guidance for you is the Knight of Pentacles. Stay grounded, stay humble, stay wherever you are, because you are doing great, you are doing right, you are doing the right thing here, and the universe got your back. It's like you will be able to come out of whatever pain, whatever experiences, whatever lessons you have gone through. You will be able to come out of that. Stay grounded, stay humble, and take life one day at a time. Okay, honey? Yes, good to go. Thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.